look into my eyes. Looking into the eyes of the beloved, I see a portal pulling me into the depths of an underground well. I see a glare of my image, a mirror image. I see love. I see kindness sparkled with a dose of confidence. I see strength clothed in patience, bottled up in consideration, filled with compassion. I see clearly a true essence of purity, purified by fire, mastered by life, gazing into the eyes of a limitless soul. I see hope for the future to overcome the impurities of the human condition. Looking into the eyes reminds me of me. That is looking into the eyes of the beloved.